was working for a place as a mechanic, and I got burned at work, and they told me to go to the hospital. I went to the hospital, and they told me to take 2 weeks off work, and they got mad because I took off work, and it wouldn't pay the hospital bill or pay me.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of action can you take?
Got a couple of things going on.
Did he say he was injured at work?
He was injured
burned.
at work,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know if he's still there. Were you terminated?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Some big problems there.
Yeah, a couple of things. First of all, he would have a workers' comp claim that would be actionable, assuming that there are the number of employees that work with that group. I think the number is 5
right.
or more that would qualify him for workers' comp. And if you do have a valid workers' comp claim, they have to pay for your medical bills. They have to pay you TTD, temporary total disability payments of 66 2/3 of what your average weekly wage is until you reach a point that you reach MMI, or maximum medical improvement, or such that you come back to work and either work light duty or work your same job. But they can't fire you just because you have a workers' comp claim. Mm-hmm. Just because you get hurt on the job does not allow them to fire you. Now,
It's like
Alabama,
retaliation, yeah.
Yes, retaliation.
For getting hurt.
Now in Alabama is an at-will state, which means
mm-hmm.
that they can fire you for because they don't like the color of shoes you wore to work that day. But they can't fire you if you were hurt on the job, and the only reason for termination is because, oh, well, now you can't be a benefit to me anymore, and it's a retaliation mm-hmm. thing. So if that's the case, then I would certainly contact an attorney about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Ken, some things I've seen just in handling some of these types of cases, when you apply for your pennies, so to speak, for being off of work, you can ask for a hearing, and they can determine whether you were fired for cause or not. And sometimes that information is very valuable in a claim for termination.
Yeah, that's true.